Greetings! Today I'm going to show you how to use Zoom, which is a video conferencing tool to create a voice over slides presentation. So to begin, we're going to the Zoom website, which is zoom.us, and in the top right corner, I'm going to click Sign In. Rather than sign in with your email address, you're going to click Google in the middle of the page. And because you have a Santa Clara email address, you're able to log in with your Santa Clara credentials. These are the same things that you'll use for logging into Camino or your Santa Clara email. Once you're logged in the top right, you're able to host a meeting. There are a few options, including one screen share option. I do think the easiest, though, for this is to start with video off. If you don't have the Zoom software, it's going to request that you download that. And so when this logs us in, we'll be able to share our screen and record our presentation. So I'm going to use the computer speakers here. And what I have now is a few things. I can start video over here, which would start my FaceTime to show my face. I can manage participants, including inviting my partner or other people to join this video conference. I can do screen sharing, which I am going to select, and I can do recording. So for right now, I'm going to start with record, and I'm going to say record on this computer. Likewise, for screen sharing, I'm going to choose that and say desktop and share screen. So at this point, my screen is being shared. My screen is also being recorded. So I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to bring up my actual presentation. I'm using Google Slides, but it's also possible to do PowerPoint or Keynote or include video. Essentially, anything that's on your screen can be recorded. At this point, you can click through your presentation, you can narrate your slides, you can add multimodal content to your presentation, and I believe you get the idea. So, when you're done and you're ready to share your presentation, what we're going to do first and foremost is we're going to go up to More and say Stop Recording. We can also say Stop Sharing, and we're going to close out of Zoom. What that's going to do is bring up this prompt, which is going to ask us where we want to save the actual presentation. And so I have this. I'm going to actually drag this to my desktop just so that's easier for me to access, but it's going to be saved on a Zoom folder on your computer. At this point, what I can do is go back to YouTube. You do have a YouTube account through your Santa Clara email as well. So if you go to sign in, if you're still logged in through your Zoom account, that should be fairly easy. I can click on this upward facing arrow, which is for uploading, and then I can drag and drop this little video project in here. For this, I don't want this to be truly public, so I'm going to say unlisted. I'm going to give it a proper name. And I'm going to click Done. This was a short video, so it went pretty quickly. It is uploaded, but it is not yet done processing. Once the video is done processing, I can go and copy this URL, go to my Camino assignment, and if it's a discussion, I can click Reply, and then Insert Link, paste that URL, and post reply. What we'll have now is an actual link to my embedded YouTube video. Thank you and have a nice day.